How to reset location and privacy data in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general. After clicking on general, then scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. In last, you can see the option reset location and privacy. Now click on reset location and privacy, and here enter your passcode to reset your location and privacy. After enter your passcode, it will be reset. So this is the way to reset location and privacy data in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.